Okay, diamond problem. So here we go. Let me make this bigger so I can do two at a time and we can film right in here. So A and B. So 1/2 times what, right? Times what here gives me 4. So 1/2 times 8 gives me 4. And then 1/2 plus 8 is 8.5, right? And then the next one, 0.3 times 0.2. That's 0.06. And 0.3 plus 0.2 is 0.5, right? Okay, so now let's do C and D. Let's clear that, slide it over here. C and D, right, C and D. So for C, it's what times what gives me 11. Well, 11 is prime, so the only thing that would give me 11 is 1 and 11, and also that's added is 12. They actually almost, with the exception of fractions, if they said it was integers, they could have left off the 12 and had you do that one. Okay, and then D says -3 plus what is -4, right? And as an equation, that would be this, right? -3 plus what equals -4, right? And then you'd add 3 to both sides, and you'd get -1, right? So -1. And then -3 times -1 is 3. Okay, diamond problems should become really easy for you guys now.